It's good to see me, isn't it? Shut Hello. So I told you recently that this chapter of my life is really focusing on reboot, reset, and just picking myself back up. This past week or so, I have been just doing the things that I love to do that I miss doing when I had a job because admittedly, parang nawala yung work-life balance ko. Not blaming anyone for that but me. Even when I was resting, even when it would be on the weekends, I would be thinking about work. And that's not very healthy. So itong past week or so, I've just been really revisiting the things that I love doing, things I've been doing to fill my own cup. And I know that is pretty famous, like a famous concept right now of filling your own cup. And it's basically just doing the things that you love as self care. I've always been a big advocate of self care because I think it's important to fill your own cup. Because if you don't fill your own cup, I mean, you already know this, but if you don't fill your own cup, you won't be able to fill others. And obviously, you can't expect others to fill your cup all the time. I think when I started working, I also started realizing that ay, may pag ganun. When I started working, I also started to realize that other people are busy on survival. So the people around them becomes just not a priority, which rightfully so, because everybody should prioritize themselves anyway. And so these are the things that I do to fill my own cup. And first, of course, we're gonna make matcha. Matcha is like I love it. I love it so much. It fuels me. It gets me excited to wake up in the morning. Talagang yun ang abats ko, bakla. And I prefer making matcha at home than drinking matcha outside because hindi rin accessible yung good quality matcha in Metro Manila. Hindi ganun ka common. So I love making my own matcha at home. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, magtimpla ka na doon, bakla. Okay, let's make matcha. Today we're going to do something different. Something I've never tried before. Wanted to experiment, really. So today we're making Thai tea matcha. I still have this from my trip to Thailand. It's an instant Thai tea. And I thought it would be good to mix it up with matcha. Ooh, that's cut. Ooh, that is cut. Now let's taste this. Yep, yep. That's so good. Period. Okay, so now I'll just drink my matcha. It's not a very pretty color, but it tastes good. So that's all that matters. And I'm just eating my leftover pesto from yesterday night. I'm also watching new episodes of my favorite shows, namely Elsbeth and High Potential. That the States, if anything, is just like a really fun. All I say is I was just like one time with for October, November, December, Pinterest board. Hey Siri, spice them up. Stop video. And then my makeup, this is the finished look. Very very simple girl. Parang hindi masyadong nag-effort. Effortless lang ang atake ko. Para bang ito ako gumising. But today, I have a lot of errands that I need to do. First, I need to go to the bank and then go to my childhood home because my lola just got back from Canada. So I'm gonna go visit her just for a while. And then after that, I honestly don't know what I want to do. I want to watch Dream Boy. It comes out today in cinemas. Tapos may malapit na sinehan that is showing Dream Boy near sa childhood home ko. Not really my childhood home, but just like my lola's house, basically. Ayan, this is the look today. But I need to really rush right now. I don't know why I'm taking my sweet time because the bank is about to close in a few hours. So I need to go. I need to head out the door. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. Very simple lang kasi, diba, like, ang atake ko ay simple girl. Tapos ito lang yung bag na suot ko the other day. Kasi ayoko na maglipat ng gamit. And then for shoes, I'm wearing this. Oh! Oi! I'm wearing this. These are from Muji and I love them because they remind me of the Air Rift. I don't know, like the Nike shoes. I don't know. So this is the outfit. Imagine nyo na lang. Ayoko na. By the way, my earrings are from, this one is from my piercer. This one is Penny Pairs. This one's Bulgari. Bulgari also on the other side. And the scent of the day is this one. This is Aqua de Parma Yuzu. I got this last year and one thing about me is I would love to finish my perfume like in less than 2 years because kapag feeling ko, kapag tumatagal na sila, parang nag-iba na yung amoy and it's not as potent. Parang sa perfume collection ko, first one in, first one out. Ganyan. Okay, this is the look. Parang hindi siya giving, pero giving siya. Like, giving siya. Ako nagsasabi. Just gotta book Grab. And then I'll update you guys. Giving ba? Parang biglang hindi na ako pretty. No, don't say that. Hindi talaga ako maganda sa ilaw Parang mas maganda ako pag may onting shadow na para bang El Gama Penumbra. Hindi. Guys, I ended up here at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. I told you a while ago that I was gonna watch a movie and I just got the tickets, but it's not until 2 hours later. So I'm just here to kill time. I'm about to eat dinner. I'm just here at Nono's and yeah, while I'm eating dinner, I'm just gonna read my book. This will be my personality trait for the next week. Yes! The movie still hasn't started, so I still need to wait for a few more minutes. But yeah. Hi guys, I just got home from the cinema and I am on the floor right now because I haven't showered yet. I need to shower before I hop on my bed. I'm trying to be better at that, like no outside clothes or no outside whatever on the bed. But as you know, I watched Dream Boy and I thought we would do a little bit of a debrief. I just wanted to discuss, I want to debrief because I like watching movies but I'm in no way like a film critique whatsoever. Like, hindi ako magaling. Actually, kind of scared to like discuss things like this. I like Dream Boy. I think trans stories deserve to be mainstreamed. I think it should be watched and I think more people should be able to see it to understand them on a deeper level. I always will always believe that. However, I rated it a 2.5 out of 5 on Letterboxd. Maybe like a 3. Maybe I will change it to a 3. I think yun na, ito na. Baka awayin ako. I just don't like how the plot isn't in your face. Now, this could really be a skill issue. Kasi baka maya sobrang in your face na pala yan. Like from the POV of the director. Tapos baka bobo lang ako. Kasi like, ina-acknowledge ko siya na baka bobo lang ako. Like baka skill issue siya. Like baka hindi ko lang talaga magets. Parang ang dami kong questions. At the end, ang daming hindi nasagot na questions. And honestly, of course, may mga movie talaga na ganon. Because kung wala kang napulot, kung hindi mo kine-question yung pinanood mo after mo lumabas ng sinihan, ba't ka panonood? Charis. A lot of things I felt like were unanswered, and I think it depends on the viewer whether they like it that way or not. Like, personally, ako, I'm neutral about it. I just wish there was more clarity. You know, when you're watching like a movie and it's like a one whole movie, there are also movies na parang, ang dami, parang nanonood ka ng music video na nakakompile. It kind of felt like that. But like, then, kagaya nga nasabi ko, baka tanga lang ako. So, watch nyo. Guys, watch nyo. Tapos pag-usapan natin para maka-catch up naman ako. I am very neutral about the movie. Like, I don't love it, but I think you should still watch it because it really tackles a lot of different issues about our trans sisters and brothers. I think I am rambling, so I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna see you guys soon. I'm about to go outside to read. Hindi na ako muna nag-shower because it's 3 p.m. right now and kung mag-get ready pa ako. Like, wala na akong aabutan na liwanag sa labas. I've been feeling down the past couple of days. So I feel like I need the sun outside. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just going to read outside. By the way, guys, if I'm wearing my headband, that just basically means hindi ko binasa yung hair ko. Because my hair, parang may sarili siyang life na para bang, di ba, is this Tagalog? So, kapag nag-headband, parang lang mukhang intentional, mukhang effortless, ganyan. Okay, I changed my shirt because baka masyadong mainit for long sleeve outside. And I'm just gonna put a lot of perfume. This is Dad's Garden Lemon Tree. Love this so much. Guys, this is my reality. Like, I will get ready and things. Tapos, maghahanap ako ng pupuntahan. Tapos, hindi ako makapag-decide kung saan ako pupunta. Because, I live in the BGC area. So, like, I would love to just go to BGC. But then, I know it's a Saturday. So, I think a lot of people will be there. Like, I don't wanna be overstimulated like that. So, I'm looking for neighborhood cafes where I can just chill. Yung hindi masyadong maraming tao. But then, I know that a lot of cafes would be in Makati or Pasig. And those places would be a little bit too far from... I don't know where to go. Like, I don't know where to go. And I'm already ready. Like, I already have my bag with me. Like, I already have my outfit on. I feel good. Tapos, saan ako pupunta, guys? Like, guys, where do I go? Sa sunset, no. Like, kailangan ko na i-figure out to. Like, saan ako pupunta? I wanna go to this cafe called Mahikasa or Magikasa. Pero I know it's pretty famous right now, so I know all the Insta baddies, all the people are going to be there because it is a Saturday. So I need to find like a low-key like cafe, like a low-key place. I don't know where to go. Guys, here's my thought process. Kasi, if sa BGC ako pumunta ngayon, at least kapag maraming tao, ang dami magkakatabi. Tapos ang dami kong options. Kung kunyari, masyadong maraming tao dito, like, I can go to the next place. Whereas, kung kunyari pupunta ako, kasi I wanna explore cafes in Capitolio or in Pasig, in the Pasig area. But then, doon, hindi sila dikit-dikit. So, kung kunyari pupunta ako sa isang places, ang dami palang tao, tapos hindi ko pala bet, I'm gonna have to book another ride to go to another cafe. And that's expensive. So, I'm really deciding now. And I know the girlies are at Makati right now also because it was the Salsada Weekend Market today. So, marami ring tao doon. So, where the fuck do I go now? Wala na yung araw, te. Okay guys, I have already decided I'm going to Capitolio. Hopefully I made the right decision going there. I look rough again. But I got flowers. I'm so happy. I did not get a good batch of flowers kasi medyo putol-putol yung stem. So I had to put like some tape and some rubber bands and all para hindi mag-fall down. Mag-fall down? Sino ka dyan? Sobrang konya mo naman. Lilies are my favorite flowers ever. Anyway, I wanted to come on here and just be real and honest. Of course, I made this video with the intent na to show people how how I cope, how I make myself feel better, how I fill myself up nga, diba? But to be honest, right now I'm not feeling the best. But I think it's important for me to say na sometimes you can work on yourself and you still won't feel like the instant relief or the instant parang reward, because that's what I'm feeling right now. I feel like I'm working on myself. I'm kind of like in this phase or in this chapter of rebuilding myself and like taking the time, taking it all in so I can, parang kumbaga in Tagalog, parang ito yung buwelo ko before I do something else again. But to be honest, I haven't been feeling my best the past few days. I have been down in the dumps. Oy. But I just want to take the time to remind myself and to remind people out there na you can work on yourself, but progress isn't ever linear. There are times that you will plateau. There are times that parang you will feel down despite working so hard. So I wanted to point that out, and also because I feel like I'm beating myself up nga, because obviously I am not doing anything right now. So hindi ko maiwasan isipin na I'm not doing anything productive or parang feeling ko I'm wasting time. So I just wanted to remind myself that the rest is productive too. Parang feeling ko kasi minamadali ko rin yung self ko right now na parang do the next thing or ganito yung gawin mo. But then again, if mabadaliin ko siya, it defeats the purpose of taking the time, So I wanted to hold myself accountable din siguro, kaya ako to videohan. So I just wanted to say that progress isn't ever linear. Talagang you can't expect na your trajectory is always like this because, there are going to be setbacks. And honestly, you can work on yourself and you can do many things working on yourself or building yourself up and all, and sometimes it will still not feel adequate, but you just have to remember na minsan the work we're doing right now, hindi ibig sabihin instant yung magiging fruit. Hindi ka, yung gratification, hindi mo siya agad mafe-feel. Sometimes the reward takes time. That's okay. So I think this is where I end the video. I'm drinking my matcha. To be honest, I finished my book. I'm starting a new series. That's what I'm doing right now. And I should probably face my real life responsibilities soon. Yeah, I think that's the end of this video. I look rough. I'm so sorry. My next video will be a glow up video. So you won't be seeing this next time. Bye. See you soon.